we gon' do this my way. Up running around like you forget who I am. But I made you, don't you forget that. Starting on your friends like you ain't hop on my wave. I helped your style, I helped you grind. And you know for damn sure I'll always ride. Your mama always call me and that's alright, cause she know I'm the only one.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. If you like my content, feel free to like, share, subscribe, click that notification down below so you'll be notified each time I post a video. Today I'll be doing a hair review. Without further ado, let's get to it. This unit is from Super Style from Amazon, and guys, this is their packaging. As you can see here, their email address and their phone number. It came with some cute press-on nails. Aren't they beautiful, you all? Also, it came with a stocking cap. The unit has a comb at the back, the adjustable strap, a comb in the middle, and two comb on either side. And guys, this unit is a 6-inch Pixie cut wig, and it is human hair. I'll go right in and put the wig on so you guys can see how the wig is looking. This is a right side T-part unit, and guys, as you can see this hairline, it is definitely a mess. I'll go in and try and see what I can do with this hairline, but first I'll turn around so you can see the full wig.
I was young, I was dumb, I was wrong. I was stupid, baby, I was just wrong. Now I'm looking at you get away.
I'm going in and plucking the hairline a little, but I gotta be careful because the tracks are very close to the hairline, and if I'm not careful enough, the tracks will be showing after I'm finished plucking.
Gotta say it, I gotta say it. I was wrong, I was stupid, baby, I was just wrong. I was wrong. Now I'm looking at you get away. And I'm mad while you know. You're the one, gotta say it, gotta say it, gotta say it, gotta say it. I was wrong, I was stupid, baby, I was wrong. Now I'm looking at you stay away. And I'm mad cause you're really moving on. You're the one, gotta say it, gotta say it, gotta say it, gotta say it. I was wrong.
Now that I'm finished plucking the hairline, I'll go in with a flat iron and add a few curls to the hair.
Gray skies is all I see as I hear your voice next to me. Flashbacks coming in scenes, highlighting perfect memories.
I am adding some powder to the lace.
Conversation with no end, it's no force. How we used to vibe under the blue skies, but you turn my smiles into gray skies.
I'll go in and cut the lace.
I miss the gray skies. You took the best of me and turned it into the worst of me. Mr. Gray Skies, I have to go on. The more we try, the harder to move on. Nothing is good.
Now I'll go in and create some baby hairs so this hairline can look a little more realistic, and I'll be using the Got To Be glue.
I did this for me. Don't Don't take it personally. I did this for me. I did this for me. I sense you behind me, but when I turn around, your spirit hides from me. As tears run down my face, I hear your voice say you'll be okay, but it was all.
I am adding some foundation to brighten the parting space.
Mr. Gray Skies, I have to go.
Now I'm going in with the walk stick to get rid of the flyaways and give the hair additional sheen.
Nothing is good in goodbyes. They say love never dies. Mr. Gray Skies, I have to go home. You too.
Now it's time to style the hair. With this unit, you can style it as straight as it came in the packaging, or you can go in and add some curls as I did, or also you can add more curls. The option is yours in styling the unit.
Gotta move on. Mr. Gray Skies, I have to go on. The more we try.
This is my finished look. My only con with this unit is the hairline. I definitely tried my best to make the hairline a little realistic, but guys, the tracks were too close to the hairline. So for that, I give this unit a 6 out of 10. But other than that, guys, this is amazing unit. It is beginner and big head friendly, guys. You don't have to glue this unit down, so for that, it is definitely a beginner friendly unit. And guys, it is human hair, so you can curl it, you can straighten it, you can do whatever you want to do with it. So if you're interested in this unit, the link will be in the description down below. You can go and check it out. Thank you for watching. Until next time, BYE.
First, we're gonna do this my way. Up running around like you forget who I am. But I made you, don't you forget that. Starting on your friends like you ain't hop on my wave. I helped your style, I helped you grind. And you know for damn sure I'll always ride.